Okay, I'm hoping that one of your lovely bridesmaids will show you this the morning of your wedding. I have thought a lot about you getting married. I think a lot about all you girls getting married. And all I can hope for and pray for and wish for is that they find people as wonderful as you found for Davin. What a wonderful guy. I just remember the first time that you brought him to the farm and how excited you were to show him the horses, how much you clearly had in common, and how much you trusted him with who you really were. And that says so much to me about how well a relationship's going to go. You weren't putting on all kinds of masks and the happy Gina. What I could see was a Gina that was pretty earnest, actually, and that wanted to be with this person and wanted him to really like what she was. And that's super important. And when I can see you guys with the people that you're getting serious about, and I see someone with that kind of class and that kind of a good heart, it makes me feel so much better. I'm losing my little girls. It's really, really hard for me, Gina. It's really hard. And even though you long ago moved away, in my heart, you're my little girls. But I can tell you that once you get married, you're not my little girls anymore. You become my friends and my companions and those kinds of things. But you're not little girls. You're growing up and going on to making families of your own in whatever way you choose to do it. But I have to tell you, I think you picked an absolutely wonderful guy. And on top of that, I'm going to cry. And on top of that, I think that you have turned into someone I am so proud to be calling a friend. You have a wonderful heart. You have such honesty in your character, Gina. You have such a desire to do well, but also to find the joy in life. And Gina, not all of us are that good at finding the joy in our lives. And I'm so pleased to see that you have managed to balance out the work part and the family part and the really, really fun part, even though it freaking scares me to death when I see that shit when you're climbing down off those mountains. That's just nuts. I'm never going to like that part of your life. But regardless of that, I want you to know how much I love you. I want you to know how much I wish I could be there right now. I want you to know that I think you're marrying the most wonderful person that you possibly could have found. And I want you to know that I wish you all of the luck and the love in the world. I think you deserve it. I think you've had some real highs and real lows in your life. And I would just love to see this person be that cushion that helps you with the lows and that person that celebrates you when you have the highs. You're really lucky to have found each other. I think he's a marvelous, marvelous guy. And I think he's the luckiest man in the world to get you. I wish I could be there. It's really hard for me not to be there. But know that I'm there in my heart, and I'm there in my spirit, and I'm sure that we'll be able to meet up as soon as this mess is over with, and know that I would be there if I could. I love you so much.